post-colonial space. I'm Masood Raja, and this channel is for teachers, students, and scholars of humanities, literary studies, and post-colonial studies. I often upload one or two videos every week, either on specific post-colonial studies topics or on general humanities topics. Please visit the channel as often as you can, and you are free to use these materials in your teaching, in your research, and in general public discussions, of course. And if you like the content, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions, any lectures that you would like me to record, please either contact me through my website, postcolonial.net, or through any of the videos by commenting on them. Overall, I hope this content is useful to you, and I hope that you pass it on to others. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you next time.